Okay, so today I'm going to try to repair a table I made about 16 years ago with some biscuit joins on a very shallow joint. I have taken the table apart already and I have drilled the pocket holes with the Kreg jig. So most of you on YouTube have probably seen other videos, if you're looking at this one, about Kreg pocket hole joinery and how to drill the holes and what it does, but this is a practical use to repair something that has been doing me well for about 16-17 years. And what ended up happening, I have some biscuit joints on the corners. These two holes are for the leg mounting. That comes after I do all this again. I will mount the legs through these, and another hole on this side of this corner leg looks like on the edge of the table. Screwed in with some of these guys. Anyways, I borrowed someone's biscuit joiner to make this, and what happened was good for a long time. This is apple wood, so it didn't really take the glue very well. You can see, you can kind of see where it flaked off. I ended up smoothing this out and leaving part of the biscuit that's in there already to help this joint just seat right. Once I get the Kreg screws drilled, it's supposed to automatically pre-drill this corner, so I've gone into the part up here where there's more meat. That's going to go on here to kind of hold it in place, lock it in, and I think once I put the two screws in each corner, it's going to help make this table a little more firm. These I ended up cutting off because they got so bad I just shaved it and made it flat with a chisel. The reason these screws were hard to find is because they're 3/4 inch. Most of them that you're going to find are 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches, I think. I went to my local Home Depot and they didn't even stock these. I had to order them from Amazon. So anyways, this is the Kreg jig. Put it on the end, drill through it, take it off, and that's what you're left with. So now, today's part of it, I'll just finish up and take some of these screws. That's how that goes. Alright, so from this experiment I learned use more than 1/2 inch lumber if you're going to be using Kreg jigs, Kreg screws rather. It's just a little more meat on the other side. Plus these were very close to the edge. So that didn't have much going for it. It couldn't go very deep with the screw, but the table is functional again. I would go ahead and stand on it I'm trying not to break the glass, but I'm standing on it. You can see there. Granted, the pressure we're worried about is more back and forth like this, so you wouldn't want to get all crazy on top of this table, but it'll hold some drinks and whatever while you're sitting solid. It's not really squeaking and rattling like it used to. So the Kreg screws will get you by in a pinch. This table is functional again, and there it is. Thanks for watching. I'll be back.